Hey, it's Janine from 22 Luxury, and today we're showcasing our beautiful Christmas catalogue gift ideas for you for 2022. It's all about helping you create that perfect gift, that perfect luxurious gift, all within a budget for any purpose between 10 and 300 plus. We've got you covered. It doesn't matter. So what I'd like to share with you today is our beautiful Christmas catalogue gifts with purchase, also some gifting ideas, and we've got 9 products that are under $25, all of which I'll share with you today. So let's get into it. First up, I'd like to share with you our luxury. This is gorgeous, by the way. These are in limited stock as well. This is our luxury candle giveaway. So we're giving this away. This is our free gift with purchase. You can find out all the specific details in the Christmas catalogue, which I'll put the link below to this. So you can see what you need to do to get this, and it's not that much, so you might be surprised. So this is valued at $55.95. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. So first up, we've got this beautiful magnetic clasp. So you can clasp it there. Very stylish. It's a matte white finish with a beautiful black bow. Looks gorgeous, just as it is. Now, when we open it up, you'll see inside, okay, so we've got our thank you for your kindness gift box. So that contains your tea light, 6 of your tea lights there, and also a little travel lip balm as well. So that's just the perfect little gift for someone in the office, a friend, a colleague, or someone you just want to say thank you to. And it's all about the gift. Look at that beautiful little bow. It's gorgeous. So that comes in this in the luxury candle gift pack. Also, what we've got in there is our travel candle. This is really good because it's got a lid on it. This is a 14-hour burn time. So what we've got in here, oh, smells divine. Anyway, this is organic calendula flower. So when this actually melts, it has this beautiful calming effect on the atmosphere, on your home. So we've got cedarwood, bergamot, and ylang ylang in here. There are no fragrance oils in here, just pure essential oils. So it makes it even more special and helps the recipient feel more beautiful, calm, and relaxed as well. So you just burn that until the top of the lid, top of the wax is melted, pop it out, and then start to burn it again so that it hardens up. So isn't that gorgeous? It's just beautiful. One of my favorites. All hand poured soy wax, so they're all eco-friendly. This is our 10-hour, each candle burns for 10 hours. These are eco soy friendly wax, so there's no palm oil in there. They're beautiful, they're non-toxic. They don't contain any essential oils, so they're perfect for any ritual creating or burning with an essential oil burner as well. So they're really good for that. So isn't that just a beautiful free gift? So, and you can find out the details for this one at the Christmas catalogue link, which, as I said, I'll pop below. So isn't that beautiful? I love it. I love it. They are in limited stock, so don't waste your time. Hurry up. You know what I mean. Anyway, hurry up. And yeah, because they are in limited stock, and I really want you to have one. So make sure you jump online and get this so you can get it for free. Okay, so what else do we have in here? This is my little goodie bag. Little goodie bags. Isn't it gorgeous? So what I'd like to share with you now is just some of our beautiful products that are exclusive to the our beautiful luxury and pamper packs, pamper retreat boxes. So what we've got is our beautiful mulberry silk eye mask. If you have not slept with one of these on your face, over your eyes, seriously, it's divine. This is heat regulated, so it doesn't allow for your skin to heat up and cool down. Great for puffy eyes. Also helps with alleviate any wrinkles and stuff like that as well around your face as well. So this I highly recommend. This is exclusively available in our luxury pamper, I think. So yeah, luxury pampering box that's in that, and yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, it feels so soft. I wish you could feel it. That's how good it is. I wish you could feel it. Anyway, We also have our exclusive gua sha. Gua sha is my new favorite tool. This is brilliant for removing lymphatics, your stuffed sinuses, muscle tension, and all sorts of things. This is exclusive in our luxury pamper box, okay? So be sure to check it out and see what you get in that. This is just divine, and it will make your skin, your face, your muscles, everything feel beautiful, and you'll actually see differences as well in facial contouring as well. I've been using it around here, and oh, I'm just in love with it. I've got some more sneaky little details coming out about this soon, so stay tuned for January as well. So what next? What's in my little goodie box over here? So we've got my bath soak. Bath soak is a divine product for anyone that loves a bath. You pop that together with your body wash, all organic, no SLSs in it, no parabens, no synthetics, nothing. It's absolutely beautiful and safe for for sensitive skin. So combine this. This is chocolate and roses without the expense or the calories, okay? So in it, I'll show you what we've got. It smells delicious, by the way. It's got pure rose damask essential oil in it. So it's exquisite, and it just, oh, you feel beautiful, and your skin is so soft when you use it after you come out of the bath. If you don't have a bath, use it as a foot soak, still divine. This is what it looks like. We've got real organic rose petals in there. We've got your organic cocoa butter, organic coconut milk, organic buttermilk. It's the buttermilk that brings that richness and deliciousness to the entire formulation. So be sure to check it out and pop one into your shopping cart as well. So now we've got, if you're combining your body wash, this makes a perfect duo, and I'll show you what you get for free. So when you combine your body wash with your body butter, perfect for anyone that just likes the simplicity of, you know, putting on a daily moisturizer and being able to wash themselves without any harsh chemicals or anything like that. This is the perfect duo for you. And because it's Christmas, we're giving away, with any purchase of these two, no code required, you can also get a free aura spray. So that makes a perfect gift for anyone that loves a bath or just loves pampering their body as well. So that's a beautiful gift. Now, we also have our face serum. Our face serum is just divine. It comes in a beautiful little box, and it's 30 mils, 5 to 7 drops is all you need. Pop that directly on your face, and it just feels beautiful on your skin. Non-greasy, soaks in straight away and gives that calming relaxation to your face as well. Great to use just before bedtime, or you can apply it under your makeup. Give yourself 5 minutes or so before you apply your makeup with that one. I also have, so the aura spray is brilliant because the aura spray comes in not only the 100 ml but the 30 ml, so that's brilliant. So these products are all under $25. So $24.95, $24.95, $14.95, and we've got your $15.95, and your bath soak is, what did I do with it? Oh, oops. Bath soak is $15.95 and your smudge is $12.95. So they're all your gifts that you can use for under $25, as well as our world famous lip balm. We've got it in a brand new container. This is amazing. Pop it on like that. Up and down you can go. Brilliant. Still the same price. So yes, that brilliant gift for comes in a beautiful box somewhere. There you go. Comes in a beautiful box, and it's just gorgeous on your lips. You will love it. Anyone that loves lip care and proper lip balm, they're gonna love this. This is I can highly recommend this one. So yeah, that's one of our best sellers. We also have the lip balm just for convenience sake. We have it in our travel pot and also our chic as well. So the chic is the glass black one. So that's nice if you want to go somewhere, you know, a little bit nicer, if you want to give that little bit nicer gift. And this is great just to pop in your handbag, or perfect little gift for when you're traveling and all of that sort of stuff. So makes it absolutely beautiful. And then we've got somewhere, we've got our Luscious Lip Serum. So when you combine your Luscious Lip Serum with your lip balm, you've got the perfect duo for lip care. This contains your CoQ enzyme 10, which is great for restoring collagen back into your lip area as well. All you need to do is pop it over your lips 5 minutes before you go to bed. I keep it on my bedside table. I also pop it onto my jaw points here and up here as well. Guaranteed to give you a good night's sleep. And we also have a charcoal face mask. Now this is available exclusively in our, I think, is it the Pampering? It's in the boxes anyway, in our pre-prepared boxes as well. So the charcoal face mask is a non-surgical facelift. Seriously, that's how good it is. 20 minutes on your skin and you will feel it go and clears up any congestion, any open pores, anything like that. Absolutely brilliant. No nasties, no chemicals, yeah, it's just beautiful for your skin. Anyone who receives this for a gift will feel beautiful. So I'd like to share with you just one more little thing that I've got, and I'd like to share with you how you do it, because a lot of people have asked, Janine, how do you do this? So I've got our loose leaf smudge. Now our loose leaf smudge is really good for manifesting, cleansing your house. I do it every time I clean my house. I use it full moon, new moon, and anywhere where I just need to lift the energy as well. Also do it on myself on a regular basis as well, cleansing from the feet up, around my throat chakra, up to my crown, and around all through my aura as well. So what you do, you need one of these things. Please don't use matches, it won't work. And what you're looking for is the smoke. So you'll need to light it just for a little bit. Takes a little while. See that? And then it's the smoke that you want. That's it. Now you combine that with your aura spray, another perfect little gift. That's under $30. So there you go. So there's just a couple of little cute ideas that you can use through 22 Luxury. We're only a phone call away if you need some help, or if you need any assistance whatsoever. Take care. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a beautiful, beautiful Happy New Year. May your wishes come true, and may you live a life of little luxuries. Take care. Mwah.